And today we start the part 2 of chapter 1 in civics. The topic is other kinds of equality. Student, as you have studied the story in part 1 of the chapter, so let us continue and understand what this story is trying to tell us. Kanta Devi is a domestic worker. She has gone to vote. She is standing in the queue and is waiting for her turn, like others. She is happy that she is equal to all. It gives her a good feeling that even wealthy and influential persons are standing in the one queue. But the world beyond, it is something else. There is no equality in every field. When Kanta has to face the bitter reality of this world, she becomes sure that she cannot compare herself with the members of her Sahab's family. There are several kinds of inequalities that exist in our country. We will take the example of the caste system, which has been in existence in India for centuries. The deeply rooted evil has created division among the people. Here I want to explain you about the caste system. In Vedic period, the society was divided into 4 castes or varnas. Number 1, Brahmans, 2, Kshatriya, 3rd, Vaishyas, and last one is Shudras. Shudras were the last position of the caste system. The lower caste people and Dalits, means lowest caste people, are exploited a lot. They have always been discriminated against. Dalit means broken. Dalits belong to the unprivileged, mean not having special rights and advantages class. The bitter truth of our society is that there is only political equality, but no social and economic equality. For example, from social, we mean people living irrespective of their caste and creed. From economic, we mean people having same amount of wealth and property. Om Prakash Valmiki is a famous Dalit writer who writes about his bitter experience for being a Dalit in his autobiography Juthan. How his headmaster tortured him greatly. He writes, I had to sit away from the others in class, and that too on the floor. Sometimes I would have to sit away behind everybody. Sometimes other students would beat me without any reason. He had to sweep the school and the playground while other children were studying in the class. This was very much insulting for him. Why this type of behavior was done to him? Because he was Dalit. The Ansaris were also exploited people. They were not given a flat by the landlady simply because they belong to other religion. So students, I will send you next topic in my next lecture video. Thanks.